favorite demo. Who's our circus DJ?
Does that play Pac-Man?
You can play Pong. You can play anything you want as long as it's developed for it.
I'm just looking for the joystick underneath.
Okay. So as many people can get on it at one time as you want. So if somebody wants to come on and play around with it, basically we're going to start. Bring in the bass. Bring in the bass. And it also recognizes how many fingers you have on it. So if you have just one, it's going to stop it, drop it. If you use two fingers, it'll fade it in. And then fade it out. And then again, just by one finger, you can stop sounds.
What about multiple screens on one screen?
There's possibilities for that as well. Again, it's just how you develop the program.
Is this your switcher?
This is our circuit DJ, the application that we built on this. There's several other applications on this in the Attract mode.
So if I wanted to use multiple screens at the same time?
If you wanted to use multiple applications at the same time, no, it doesn't work with multiple applications at the same time. But within one application, you